What are the different types of full mouth dental implants? Well, I'll start this video talking about two different types of full mouth dental implants. The first is what we're going to call snap-in dental implants. What this is 2 to 4 dental implants placed with a normal denture. The good part is that over a normal denture, you'll have a little bit more stability, but it's still a denture. You have a piece of plastic in your mouth that's not as strong. You still have to worry about it a little bit, and it still comes in and out. While we do these at New Smile Columbus, I don't typically like this as my first line option because my patients don't typically like it. The next option, which I believe is our gold standard in full mouth dental implants, is what's called the All-on-4, All-on-X, or fixed dental implants. What this is 4 to 6 dental implants that are placed in there, but with this set, we have teeth that are screwed in from the first 24 hours that we place them. What that means is that your healing time, that 3 to 4 months while you're healing, you have a set of teeth that are in there that don't come in and out, are comfortable, and allow you to chew and smile and talk without having to worry about a denture that comes out. This is a big plus over that snap-in denture because with that snap-in denture, you have to wear a normal denture for that 3 to 4 month healing time. So those are the two main options for full mouth dental implants and why we typically first line treatment suggest All-on-4 or All-on-X dental implants to our patients. Thank you.